I decided to get a Bluetooth communicator for my helmet. Got the Cardo Packtalk Black limited edition. Pretty excited about it actually. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, let's open her up. It's quite well packaged. Bit like opening a new cell phone really, isn't it? Open there. Nice little picture. Here's the beast. Doesn't look like much to it. Little sticker, if you're into stickers. A pocket guide, I think I'll hold on to that. Another guide in German, Spanish. A few other bits and pieces. The warranty and the installation guide. Just what I need. What else is there? Got this box in the middle. Looks like they are the speakers. Probably a cable for charging. Looks like a little microphone. Alcohol pads. Some sort of Velcro. Looks like they're for padding out the speakers if your recesses are too deep. I guess these are for attaching the speakers, Velcro. Here's the cradle with a clip on the back. And I guess this is another option. If you can't clip it on your helmet for whatever reason, you can stick it on. And little boom mic for an open face helmet or one of the other helmets that you lift the front up. Dual purpose helmet. That's it. Looks pretty good. So that's it. In the next video, we'll be installing it onto the helmet. Catch you later.